If you need to change your username in your GoDaddy account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you want to update your login name for better organization or just make your account details more current, I'll show you exactly where to go inside GoDaddy to make the change. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the GoDaddy website. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your current login details. After you're signed in, look toward the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account-related options, so it's the first place you'll want to check when making changes to your profile. From the menu that appears, go to Account Settings. This section contains the main settings for your GoDaddy account, including personal details, security options, and login information. Once you're inside Account Settings, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Security. GoDaddy organizes username and login controls under Security, so this is the place where the username option will be located. Now that you're in the Security section, look for the Username option and click it. This will open the settings for your current username. At this point, you can start the process of changing it. Click inside the username field and enter your new desired username. GoDaddy will usually check right away to see whether that username is available or already taken. After you type in the new username, press Enter or wait for the system to verify it. If the username is available, GoDaddy will let you continue. If it's already in use, you'll need to try a different one until you find an available option. This step is important because usernames must be unique, so if your first choice is taken, just adjust it slightly and check again. Once you've found a username that isn't taken, click Change Username to confirm the update. GoDaddy will process the change and save your new username to your account. After that, your account will reflect the new login name, and you can use it moving forward whenever you sign in. If you don't see the option immediately, take your time and make sure you're in the correct security menu inside Account Settings. Sometimes users accidentally look in the wrong section, but the username setting is typically found under security-related account controls. Also, remember to double-check the spelling of your new username before confirming it, because you want to make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your username in your GoDaddy account. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and now you can update your login information without confusion. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and feel free to check out more GoDaddy guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.